Well, here we are. I had my first treatment Tuesday. It's Friday today. The treatment was 5 hours about. They went and they put we have a port that's been installed into my neck area where they could put the drugs in without having to IV me every time. This is very nice. Very, very helpful. Makes it a lot easier to live with. Um, so that treatment goes on, and then you go home, and all of a sudden you start getting the effects of the drugs and dealing with all those. The first few days here going to be the hardest thing. Um, I had no pain or anything prior to this, and now I've got the surgery I'm still recovering from the Whipple procedure, and I'm hoping that the treatments will go well to give me a little future beyond the legacy of the pancreatic cancer. So one of the things that they send you home with after the main treatment, it's attached to the port, and it's a bag that it administers for 2 days the chemotherapy treatment. And that's one of the ones that was rough because that caused the most side effects for me. Eating gets hard. You have to really force yourself to eat. I've been up and down in pounds. The first week, just with all the stuff was going on, I went down 5 pounds. So you have to really force yourself to eat, and you really don't feel like it. That's the other thing. The next part of the treatment is I have an automatic injection that's going to go off basically 24 hours, 27 hours after the having the treatment, the cancer treatment. And it is an injection to help my blood cells, my white blood cells, regenerate. And then when that happens, could be some side effects of that too, as far as getting the marrow expanding and causing muscle and bone aches and the such. So there we go. That's kind of my first week through. I feel pretty good today overall. Had some rough nights for sure. I'm still going through my mind every day, just what's next, what's going to happen, and how's it going to turn out. So I guess in a way you don't know where you're going to head sometimes in life. You think you're going down a road and then something else comes by. So my feeling is that I'm going to try and look at it in the best light and get the best I can out of it, knowing I have a time clock ticking. I hope that doing that will create the world I need. Of course, playing drums is one thing I like to do. I haven't been out here in a couple of days because of the side effects and stuff and not knowing what's going on. So today I will be playing a little bit. Like I said, had the bag. I didn't know if I should be playing with that because there's hose and all that stuff. So anyway, just wanted to check in with everybody and who's watching and say everything's going good. All right, thanks.